Hello! Today we're going to be talking about how to create your own Blooket set for your class. If you don't know what Blooket is a game for your class that asks them questions. It is set up a lot like Kahoot, except instead of just the classic four different pictures that they can click on, Blooket has many different options for how you play the game. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do is go to blooket.com. And if you don't have an account, sign up. And if you do already, you just log in. So once you're logged in, this is the page that will come up. And for you to get a set out to your class so that they can start playing. If you want to do one quick and not make your own, that's perfectly fine. And there are plenty of sets already made on Blooket. And you just click Discover Sets, and then you search for the topic you are looking for. So if I was searching for our spelling patterns we're going over, I could type that in, search it, and then I could go through and pick the Blooket that I would like to play. So when you click on one that you see that you like, you can look and see what the questions are and what the answers are before you send it out to your class to play. So if you're wanting to make your own, you go to Create Set, and then you'll add a title. We will make one for our spelling words this week, and then keep it public so that your students can access it. And then you want to do it manual, and then click Create Your Set. So first we need to add a question, and then we're going to, since these are spelling words, we'll just say what is the correct spelling. And then we will add our four different options. So let's say our first word is plow, and then you click the correct answer and add it to your set. Now you have a question. And then you just keep doing that for as many questions as you have. Now, once you are ready to go, you will click Save Set, and it will be right here, easy to access in your sets on your homepage. Now, to get this to your students, what you do is you click Host. You are going to be the host, and the students will be the players. So you click Host, and it will bring you to all of the different games. In Gold Quest, they can steal gold from each other and trade gold and all kinds of things. Crypto Hack is fun because they are pretending to be hackers. A fishing game, Blook Rush, Battle Royale, they go one-on-one with each other until only one person is left. Tower Defense, Cafe, The Factory, the racing is a lot of fun. Crazy Kingdom, Tower of Doom, and then you have just the classic set like is set up in a Kahoot. So once you click which one you like, we'll go with racing. Then you come over here and click Host. Then you make sure all of your settings are how you want them to be, and then you click Host Now. This is where the students come in. So the students will have their Chromebook on the Blooket page, and they will click at the very top over here where it says Join a Game. Right there, Join a Game. So they will click Join a Game, And then it asks for the game ID. And the game ID is found at the top of the screen. So it is 141731. And then they type in their name. And once they're waiting in the lobby, you see on my screen, I have a student that popped up. And then while they're waiting, they can go through and they can pick which character they would like to be. And then once all of your students are in and you're ready to go, you click start. And so your screen will have all of the students over on the side racing to the finish line by answering questions correctly. On the student side of this part, then the questions pop up. What is the correct spelling? And they choose. And if they get it right, it will say correct. And then their character will move closer to the finish line. Once someone answers the questions all the way correct and they make it to the finish line, the game will be over. So I hope this helped. We love Blooket in my classroom. We play it all the time. And I hope that you guys will use it and y'all will love it as much as I do. Have fun.